Take command of the road in the 2009 Cadillac CTS. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Cadillac also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, our dealership is a great place to do business.